Some animals alive today look as if they stepped straight out of Earth's ancient past. They have survived mass extinctions, climate change, and millions of years of evolution. These extraordinary creatures are known as living fossils. What is a living fossil? A living fossil is a species that has remained almost unchanged for millions of years. While most life evolved and adapted rapidly, these animals retained ancient body structures nearly identical to their fossilized ancestors. The term living fossil was first introduced in 1859 by Charles Darwin in his groundbreaking work on the origin of species. Darwin used this term to describe organisms that survived in isolated environments and showed very little evolutionary change over vast periods of time. Common characteristics. Living fossils share several unique characteristics. They evolve very slowly, often live in stable or isolated habitats, and display ancient physical traits that have remained effective for survival. These species are rare, resilient, and scientifically priceless. Famous examples of living fossils include the coelacanth, once thought extinct for 66 million years, but they are not relics of the past. They are proof that survival doesn't always require change. These are the living fossils, nature's timeless survivors.
Here are the 10 oldest animal species on Earth alive today. Number 10. Frilled Shark. These sharks are the oldest shark species that are still alive today. They can be found in both the Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans, and their existence on the Earth dates from 150 million years ago. These sharks are stuck in their ancient bodies and haven't evolved like many other, let's say, modern sharks. And that's why their body looks like a combination of shark and eel. Frilled sharks have a scary look, but don't worry, because they are rarely encountered by humans because, just like the goblin sharks, they live on the bottom of the ocean. There is a pretty good chance, though, that they're going to appear in your nightmares after you spot them underwater. Number 9. Sturgeon. Sadly, we can't say something different for this species as well. We are the biggest predator for them, and that's why the sturgeon is on the verge of being wiped off the Earth. This fish has been swimming around for about 200 million years. Their existence is endangered because people collect their roe, which is prized for making caviar. One good thing is that the sturgeons can produce millions of eggs, and that's the reason they're still alive today. Number 8. Tadpole Shrimp. Like many other species that live on Earth today, the tadpole shrimp is classified as endangered, even though it's been present on our planet for more than 220 million years. But there is a light in the tunnel for these creatures, because scientists in 2010 discovered that their eggs can lie dry for quite a long time, and that's how they can create new life when rehydrated. Good for them. Tough guys manage to deal when they get into trouble. Number 7. Lampreys. You will be horrified by this creature. Now that's for sure. The lampreys are little creepy parasites that lived on our planet for 360 million years until today. They have circular holes in their mouths that are filled with many small but sharp teeth, and they use them to suck blood from other fishes. We were right when we said you'll regret hearing this, right? In 2006, scientists found a 360 million year old lamprey fossil just to discover that it's the same as the lampreys that exist today. And this is why some don't believe in evolution. 360 million years and not a single change. We can promise you that you won't have any nightmares if you hit the like and subscribe buttons right now. Try it. You'll see for yourself tonight. Number 6. The elephant shark. This remarkable creature and its scary look date from over 400 million years ago. The elephant shark can be found in marine waters off southern Australia and Tasmania, and also south of East Cape and Kaipara Harbor near New Zealand. Even though it's called a shark, this aquatic animal isn't a shark, but a type of ratfish. According to scientists, it is one of the oldest known vertebrate species, and it has a unique genome that makes him different from any other living vertebrates today. There are a lot of jobs to be done when exploring this creature is put on the table, but scientists say that the elephant shark is one of the slowest evolving vertebrates, and it has changed only a little from its ancestors. Number 5. Coelacanth. Same as the elephant shark, the coelacanth dates from over 400 million years ago. It can be found on the coastlines of the Indian Ocean and Indonesia. The coelacanth was declared extinct until a live specimen was found in 1938. Before that, scientists thought that this creature was gone, together with the dinosaurs, 65 million years ago. There is a theory that this fish is an early step in the evolution of fish to terrestrial four-legged animals. So if this is true, then every human has one ancestor like this. Looking good? Number 4. Horseshoe Crab. This creature lives in the ocean waters and soft, sandy, or muddy bottoms. It is spread worldwide, and its existence dates from 445 million years ago. This is probably the most famous living fossil on Earth, and it is interesting because of its alien-looking appearance. The existence of this creature might date back even further than we thought, but the oldest fossils were found by researchers in 2008, and it was determined that this fossil is about 100 million years older than any other horseshoe crab examples ever discovered. Sadly, like many other animal species, the horseshoe crab is also facing threats from humans. They have blood that contains unique characteristics, and because of that, these species are used for testing the safety of many vaccines. Every year, over 500,000 horseshoe crabs are used for this purpose. The scientists take 30% of their blood, and in the end, 10 to 15% of these species die. Before we introduce you to the next remarkable still-living creature, hit that ring bell button and stay watching, as we're going to show you the 3 longest-lived creatures on our planet Earth. Number 3. Nautilus. Can you imagine that 500 million years ago, there were living creatures on Earth, and they still exist today? Yup, that's how long the Nautilus has been living on our planet. It survived every extinction that hit the Earth, but people had to show up, and because of their will for cool shells, this species is in danger of disappearing. Their price and unique look make them perfect for decorations, but the hunger for more and more contributed to these shells being in danger of total extinction. Nothing new. This is another example that we destroy everything we touch. Number 2. Velvet worms. Almost the same as the Nautilus shells, the velvet worms were Earth's inhabitants over 500 million years ago. They can be found in all tropical habitats of the southern hemisphere, and their name comes from their velvet texture. These ancient animals are close cousins with arthropods such as millipedes and centipedes. Their skin is water repellent, and unlike other arthropods, the velvet worms don't have a hard exoskeleton. Some other characteristics of the velvet worms are that they have many stubby feet, around 13 to 43 pairs of feet, and they all have a hooked claw. However, the scientist doesn't have the correct information about the time when these worms moved onto land. It's because their bodies are soft and don't fossilize well. So maybe their existence on our planet is even more than 500 million years old. Number 1. Jellyfish. Make way, guys, because the longest living multi-organ animal on Earth is coming this way. They may not look as scary as the elephant shark or the frilled shark, but they are known to be nasty. Everyone who stepped on one knows that they can destroy your summer vacation in the worst kind of way. Their existence in Earth's waters dates to at least 500 million years ago, and according to some other research, they have existed for maybe 600 or 700 million years. In 2007, researchers from Kansas University found a fossil that is at least 200 million years older than the oldest known jellyfish fossils up to that point. In 2011, some new studies revealed that these creatures are more complex than we thought before. A marine biologist found that the jellyfish doesn't have a central nervous system. In his research, He said that their nervous system is just not obvious as it is in animals with a brain, but they surely do have one. You will agree with us that the jellyfishes are one of the most remarkable living creatures on the Earth. Their alien look makes them different from others, and their color and size diversify them, making them even more interesting. But just to watch. If you see one, don't try to swim beside it. Instead, you better just leave the water. We hope that we've kept your attention and we've improved your knowledge. If you liked the video, please press the like, subscribe, and ring bell buttons. We highly appreciate your effort. Thank you, and see you next time.